Hello everyone. So in our previous class, we discussed about the communication media in such a way. I said communication devices. Sorry, give you the examples of communication device media, and then the communication device is a hardware component, right? So let me recap some more about last class. Communication device is a hardware component that enable your computer to send, transmit, and receive data, instruction, and information. Like for example, using microphone, using other media to communicate from one place to another, using Bluetooth connection to communicate with one device to another, using Xender. These days we have Xender, we have the application that connect different computers with each other in order for them to be able to communicate. So we have different communication devices like cell phone, also as a virtual communication device that we can use for communication. From cell phone is also a communication device that we can use from one place to another. So these are all examples of the communication devices. So let's proceed to our class of today, which is computer software, right? So computer software is called a program. It's also called a program, consists of a series of related instructions organized for a common purpose to tell the computer what start to perform and how to perform them. So we have different softwares installed on a computer. So the purpose of having a software in a computer is like to make this software run on the computer in order to make the computer work more user friendly, to use your activities that you're going to use on the computer such a way like you have a Microsoft Word inside the computer. It's a computer software that you can be able to use on the computer. We have an operating system completely. Without operating system, we cannot be able to use computer system. We have different operating systems. We have SP, Windows SP, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, right? So these are all operating systems. We also have Apple operating system installed on Apple systems, and we have utility programs that installed on the system. We have a web application. We have graphic user interface applications installed all on the system. So these are all computer software that we use. So the purpose of software is to make you perform this series of tasks based on your instruction that you want it to perform. For example, in Microsoft Word, you can be able to type a report. So this is the example of Microsoft Word here. With this is application software as well, so you can be able to use it to type everything inside the system. So they are all on that system software, also application software. They are having the same name, right? So application software consists of program designed to make user more productive or assist them with their personal tasks. So Microsoft would normally assist us when typing a report. Presentation software assists us. For example, we have a presentation that we want to use for presentation, present a document, present a project, present a task, present an assignment in classes. So with presentation software, you can be able to make everything more easier for yourself when putting information inside. Separate sheet for accounting. We have our accounting recording system. We want to record information. We can use separate sheet for recording all this kind of information. While we have database for creating and keeping and storing information into a database. That's the purpose of it. While we have email is used for sending and receiving messages, files through email. We can send and receive different files through email. It is this. So these are all the computer software we have. We have Microsoft Word, Excel, and then we have Publisher, we have PowerPoint, also we have Access. These are all under application software. That's what we call them Office. And another name for them is also Office application. Mostly these applications are used by people who work in an organization or businesses or schools. So, but normally we call them Office. They're mostly used. The purpose of creating those applications is for office use. So in this new topic, we're going to explain more about the internet and then the network and the internet, right? So a network is a collection of computer and devices connected together, often wirelessly via communication device and transmission media. We have local area network. This is connection like wired. Using connection wired, you connect from this wire to this computer computer to the router using wired. We also have wide area network. This is wirelessly connection. You connect wirelessly without any LAN connection, any wired connection. This is completely wirelessly. This is the example of wireless connection. You see, we have different systems. We have two desktop here. We have two system laptop, but there's not any wired. And we have two mobile and also one printer, right, connected to this wireless access point. So they are all connected to this wireless access point, while the wireless access point is connected to this internet. So this is the internet. So everything is connected wirelessly. While the second picture you can see here is that the LAN connection. You can see the wire, right? Connection with the telephone, connection with the internet, connection with the internet access provider. That's the main router or the hoops. So network and the internet, right? Internet is a worldwide collection of network that link millions of businesses, government agencies, educational institutions, and then individuals, right? So we have internet service providers such as MTN, Glo, Airtel, and also we have online service providers such as web application, WhatsApp, Facebook, right? And also wireless internet service providers, right? So they provide wireless internet for us to be able to use from one place to another. So we also have this World Wide Web contain billions of documents called web page. We have web page, we have website, we have web browser, we have our web address. So we have hypertext protocol. So this is the protocol, right? This is the protocol, hypertext protocol. This is the domain, while this is the path, and this is the web page. So this is the web page. Normally when you click home or contact us, it will keep on changing to the page, the selected page that you are clicking. So network and the internet. When we're conducting a business activities online, you are participating in electronic commerce, or also known as e-commerce. So e-commerce is an online platform business. You're performing business transaction online for different customers, website, selling, buying and selling different websites such as GG, Alibaba, Amazon, and other all websites. So we have business to consumer, right? So businesses that sell to consumer directly. Let's say, for example, we have SOKOTO or BOA cement company or rice mill company that send directly to the consumers, or NPC selling directly their petrol to the consumers, or consumer to consumer, right? A farmer selling to his fellow farmer that's selling, taking the food to farm after he finished farming at the farm, and then call someone from the market to sell to him. So that's a consumer to consumer. While business to business, right? The government agencies paying tax to other government agencies, that's called business to business. Or NPC, for example, this can be also category of business selling to petrol, selling petrol. So that's a business to business. This one's performing a business, while they also performing a business completely. So they are selling for each other, exchanging goods and services. Searching the web, right? So this is a step-by-step that you can follow on how to search the web. And normally I know my student will not be left behind on how to use Google Chrome, right? Just key in the address when you have the browser installed in your system or mobile phone. These days you can even use your mobile phone to keep research or keep searching whatever you want, you are looking for on internet, because everything these days is available. Every single thing is available on internet these days. So you don't have to stress yourself going to library, open books. The moment you need, you can just open your browser, type it. When you type it, you will get any different suggestions. You can go through them unless you get satisfied with what you are looking for. So I think we're going to stay here. In our next class, we will continue with other topics. So if you have any question, please feel free to contact me or ask me. Thank you for your time.